How to use customer segmentation for affiliate marketing. Harnessing customer segmentation for affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing has become an integral part of today's digital ecosystem. While many are familiar with its core principles, the real magic happens when we delve deeper into the intricacies of strategies like customer segmentation. Here, we'll explore how segmenting your audience can significantly boost your affiliate marketing endeavors. Understanding customer segmentation. At its core, customer segmentation is the process of dividing your audience into distinct groups based on various criteria like demographics, behavior, interests, and more. By understanding these distinct segments, marketers can deliver personalized content that resonates more deeply with each group. Why is customer segmentation crucial for affiliate marketing? Personalized content delivery. One size does not fit all in the world of marketing. Segmenting your audience allows you to tailor your affiliate offers and content to each group's unique preferences and needs. This personal touch can lead to higher conversion rates. Efficient use of resources. Rather than taking a broad brush approach, segmentation enables you to focus your efforts on the most lucrative or responsive audience segments. This targeted approach can lead to better ROI for your marketing campaigns. Improved customer relationships. By understanding and addressing the unique needs of each segment, you can build stronger relationships with your audience. This can lead to increased trust and loyalty, vital for long-term affiliate marketing success. How to implement customer segmentation in affiliate marketing. Demographic segmentation. This is the most straightforward type of segmentation. It involves dividing your audience based on age, gender, income, education, and other demographic factors. For instance, if you're promoting a luxury beauty product, you might target a segment with a higher income. Behavioral segmentation. This focuses on how users interact with your content. Do they click on affiliate links often? How long do they stay on your page? By understanding these behaviors, you can tweak your strategies to better suit your audience's habits. Psychographic segmentation. Dive deeper into the lifestyles, values, and interests of your audience. Are they environmentally conscious? Do they value luxury and exclusivity? Such insights can guide which affiliate products or services you should promote. Geographic segmentation. Location can play a crucial role, especially if the affiliate products or services you're promoting have a regional appeal. Using tools and analytics for segmentation. There are numerous tools available, from Google Analytics to specialized affiliate marketing platforms, that can help you gather data on your audience. This data is crucial for understanding and creating your audience segments. Conclusion. In the vast sea of affiliate marketing, it's easy to get lost in the waves of content and promotions. However, by implementing customer segmentation, you can navigate these waters with precision and purpose. Remember, it's not about reaching everyone. It's about reaching the right ones. By focusing on specific audience segments with tailored content, you're not only optimizing your chances of conversion but also building a more loyal and engaged audience.